We're kind of almost through earnings
Yeah.
season. It's been kind of an interesting time here. What are you seeing? How are we taking this information? What's the sentiment out there? Maybe just give the audience a little view.
Well, as we refer to earnings season, for those of you that may question what that means, quarterly, all the publicly traded companies are going to report earnings. And so they'll
Right.
do that 4 times a year. We're just ending last year.
Yep.
What I think is really unique about this earnings season is we're about 70+% of the way
Yeah.
through, a little bit more every day, more and more people are reporting. What's been really interesting, 74% of the companies reporting have beat estimates.
That's
And
amazing.
it's amazing. And there's this feeling out there that the economy is
Yeah.
worsening. So if we go back and we look at the last quarter, 76% of the companies beat estimates at that point in time. So we're not that
There's a
far
pattern.
off. There's a pattern. We're in a really good situation. Moreover, surprises, meaning people that surprised over what they had thought was going to
Right.
happen, we're running at about 6.2, 6+%, which is in line with what it was
Yeah.
last quarter.
Yeah.
So this feeling of deterioration that I think is happening out there, a lot of doom and gloom, the economy's falling apart, people aren't doing well. There's a difference between the market and how people are feeling
Yeah.
or the economy. It's very different. The market is forward looking. The economy is right now and how
Right.
people are feeling with their paycheck. But what the market is telling us, and as it looks forward, it's still a really strong cycle. The underlying sectors of the market, not all companies are performing at the same level. So we're
Good point.
seeing a rotation,
Right.
but the underlying market is doing really well in line with where it's been and projecting good, strong forward
Yeah.
growth.
Signals are strong.
Signals are strong.
Yeah.
Signals are strong. So again, I think being cautious about what you're investing in is
Yeah.
always important. You always know that investment involves risk, but
Sure.
right now the markets are predicting. It doesn't mean there won't be volatility this year,
No.
but the markets are predicting that this has the opportunity for good earnings year.
Yeah. Well, if you'd like to learn more, check us out, Prevail, IWS.com.